I am so excited that I participated in Suzanne Tuline's Better Speaker Workshop. I signed up 3 years ago and I couldn't do it. And it's taken me 3 years to get here. Oh, rats. I've missed 3 years of leveraging this information. I've been a speaker. I was born with a microphone in my hand. I mean, like, seriously? What Suzanne taught me was how to control the environment, how to control the flow, coherence. I look at it as confluence of taking all these different ideas and letting them come in and meld, and the power of what confluence and coherence means together. Being a word nerd, she just stimulated my mind. I am thrilled to not only go out and maximize my opportunities to speak, but to maximize my opportunity to make an impact and make money at something I was born to do. This is my sweet spot. So Suzanne, thank you. I think it's really funny that it's taken 3 years for us to do this, but you know what? We are going to make hay while the sun shines, and I'm going to take this information and turn it into cha-ching moments. Thank you, Suzanne.
You're a rock star. Woohoo!